Info Factory Track for CSI, Customer Order Ship. Factory Track has several customer order ship parameters to control the validations, display fields, and processing options that are permitted as part of the customer order ship process. These are defined on the transaction set maintenance form for the customer order ship transaction. The first of these is the number of days to ship, which limits the search result for customer orders that are due within a range of days from the current date. In this example, it will pull any order that is due within the next 100 days. Please note that it is required that the same stage location is defined for the customer order ship parameters as for the customer order picking parameters. In this example, the location of staging will be used. As a reminder, the items must be marked as reservable to be processed by this customer order ship transaction. To start the customer order ship process, from the Factory Track Warehouse Mobility main menu, click on the Ship It icon. This then navigates to the Outbound Transactions menu, where you click on the Customer Order Ship icon. To complete the customer order ship process, enter, scan, or search for the warehouse where the items are located. This can also be defaulted to the user's warehouse based on configuration setting on the transaction set maintenance form. Enter, scan, or search the stage location ID. This is defaulted based on the stage location parameter defined on the transaction set maintenance. Enter, scan, or search for the customer order ID which you are fulfilling. Enter or scan the to-ship ID. This is defaulted from the customer order. Factory Track also displays several fields, including the ship next, which is defaulted from the value provided for the number of days to ship from the transaction set maintenance form. The lines open, which displays the number of customer order lines still remaining to be picked. The line stage displays the number of customer order lines that have been picked and are available in the staging location for shipping. And the reserve not picked, this displays the number of customer order items that have been reserved against this order but not yet picked. Click on Process to ship the customer order, or on the Show List button to display the lines and items that will be processed for shipment.